For investors with lower risk appetite looking for investments less prone to market performance, index mutual funds have emerged as good investment choices. Also, index funds come with low expense ratio and the diversification reduces the risk associated with one investment portfolio. Now, to be clear, an index fund can also be known as, let's say, a mutual fund performing better today can go down if the companies in which it has invested, its money starts dropping and performing poorly. So for investors with a lower risk appetite, looking for investments less prone to market performance, index funds have emerged as good investment choice. As the name suggests, index mutual funds mirrors the market indexes that they follow. Example, if an index mutual fund is mirroring the Nifty 50 benchmark, it will invest its money in Nifty 50 companies. So the return that the index mutual fund would deliver will be the same or slightly different than the Nifty 50 benchmark performance. The NSE Nifty and BSE Sensex are most popular indexes for index mutual fund investments. Some of the benefits of index mutual fund investments can be: first is, since they are diversified, they reduce the risk associated with your portfolio. Second is they have a low expense ratio, so it adds to the returns you receive on your investment in long-term horizon. Third is, since most of the companies in major indexes have a large market capitalization and stabilized performance, index mutual funds are also stable funds to quite a large extent. Now in this video, I will take you through the performance of top 3 index mutual funds that have given the best returns in the last 3 years. First is Motilal Oswal Nifty Small Cap 250 Index Fund, which is a direct growth one, with 33.32% annualized return in last 3 years and 37.48% in last 1 year. It has outperformed the category of average with total fund size of 452 crores, NAV of rupees 29.96. It has an expense ratio of 0.36%. And to give you in numbers, let's say an SIP of 10,000 rupees per month would have returned 5.2 lakh rupees in the last 3 years. Second is Nippon India Nifty Small Cap 250 Index Fund, which is a direct growth one. This small cap fund comes second in the list with annualized return of 33.2% in last 3 years and 37.27% in last 1 year. With fund size of 719 crores and NAV of 25.89, it has an expense ratio of 0.32%. The point which attracts investors is its minimum investment, which in case of SIP just starts at rupees 100. Third is Motilal Oswal Nifty Midcap 150 Index Fund, which is also a direct growth one. This midcap fund has given 29.16% return in last 3 years and 32.98% in last 1 year. Surprisingly, it has whopping total fund size of 1000 crores, NAV of 28.14 rupees and lowest expense ratio of 0.3%. And to make it easy, let's say had one invested rupees 10,000 in SIP every month for last 3 years, they have converted it into 5.1 lakh rupees. Hit the like and subscribe button. Also comment down below in which one you are ready to invest or you are already invested in. That's it from me. I will see you in the next.